If, just like me, you want to connect your Hermes agent to Google Sheet because you are scraping data, for instance, this one is basically scraping stuff on Google Maps and then finding the email addresses, verifying the email addresses, and then pushing them into the sequencer. I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Google Sheet with the Hermes agent on the VPS. You will see that it is not complicated at all. The first step will be to go to Google Cloud Console. Make sure you have an active project. If you don't, you will need to create one. Then they will require you to put your credit card details. They will never charge you unless you are using it extensively. Next, you'll want to click on API and Services. You will click on Enable API Services. Next, you are going to look for Sheet. Make sure that this is enabled. If this is disabled, you're just going to see an Enable button here. Just activate it. Next, you're going to go to API Services. Click on Credentials. You're going to create a new set of credentials, which is going to be OAuth Client ID. You're going to select desktop application, really important. Don't select web application, otherwise it is not going to work. You're going to click on Create and download this JSON file. As the next step, you'll want to open this JSON file, you copy everything and then go inside your agent, so in the terminal window, and then just paste the content of this JSON file. As the next step, you will be guided through the installation process, which is basically for you to do absolutely nothing. You will just need to validate the different steps. So it's going to give you a link. You will just need to click on the link and then authenticate inside Google, just like you usually do. You will be redirected. So the redirection isn't going to work. You will just need to copy the content of the URL and then paste it back inside your Hermes agent. And that's basically it. You will be set up in no time. And then obviously Hermes already has the skills to create Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Drive folders, etc. So that's a very straightforward process, but very helpful. Hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.